In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Coqui TTS. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to their website here, and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet, and then you want to click on Get Started over here on your screen. When you do this, you have two options. As you can see, it's very easy to use. You have voice clone and text-to-speech. So if you want to use voice clone, the first thing you have to do, of course, is type in some text you would like this AI model to speak out, so you could do whatever you want, and then here you could choose your own audio to basically do an audio clone. And when you do that, here you can click on generate, and it's going to basically generate it using your cloned voice. However, if you don't want to clone your voice, or of course just want to use text to speech, you could go to text to speech here, click on here where it says please enter text to speak, and just type in hey, how are you doing, or whatever you want to do. So of course, you can type whatever text you want here. As you can see, there is a limit. So you want to go to the language, type in the language of your text-to-speech, select the speaker. They have a few different default ones over here. We're just going to go with Alex, which is the default one. And then you want to click on generate. It's going to start generating here. And it says, please don't refresh this page. The task is going to get submitted. And then within just a few seconds, there we go. Your generation is going to be complete. And you can go ahead and listen to it like that. And
hey, how are you doing?
Yeah, as you can see here, it generated my text here, and then you can go ahead and use this or retry. Okay, so that's how to actually use this text-to-speech. I hope this video helped you out. It's very simple, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.